Hey everybody, this is Destiny, aka Mommy Burnsager, and I am just coming because, as promised on Instagram, I finally got my Happy Planner Teacher's Edition, and I wanted to do a flip through just to show you guys exactly what's inside and what it looks like. So, follow me. Okay, so as you can tell, this is the Happy Planner 12-month teacher planner, and it goes from August of 2020 to July of 2021. And my cover, the one that I selected, which you can select all different kinds on the web, but mine is "The Best Teachers Teach from the Heart, Not from the Book." And I think that's why all of us homeschooling parents are doing this, is because of that. So obviously this is just typical. You have your front page. This is set up to be like a teacher. Also, make sure that you follow the Happy Planner, Plan a Happy Life on YouTube, Insta, and Facebook. And I went to their website right there, thehappyplanner.com, to actually order this. And it wasn't too bad. I think I might have spent about $40 for this. I did not get the kit. There is a kit that you can get that has like stickers and things like that, but I think I'm going to just try to go to Michael's and clean house. So let's keep going. So obviously when you open it up, you're going to see the academic calendar, which just gives you from August 1st of 2020 all the way to July 31st of 2021. This is great for me because I'm actually going to be homeschooling year round. Here are some little reference notes. And it says for the substitute, but obviously the great thing that I love about Happy Planner is that you can actually add any pages that you want, which is really cool. So I plan on adding just some additional things, for our school year to make sure that we go the way that I want it to. So this is the August tab, and as you can see on the side, you've got August, September, October, November, December, and then when you flip, obviously you have January, February, March, April, May, and then you go again June and July. Then you have a checklist. I'll show you that in a second. So every month kind of is laid out like this. You'll see that there are some top priorities. Then you have your student birthdays or, anything going on, events or holidays, and then goals, and then the focus of the month, which I really like. I do like, and I'll show you September, I do like that when it comes to events and holidays, and there's actually like something going on that month that you actually see, they tell you like, oh, September the 7th, Patriot Day, Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur. So I really do like that they already kind of put it, it's ready-made, and then obviously you just add what you want. These pictures and the inserts are very colorful. I really like it. They give you a month view, so you can actually see the whole month, and I'll kind of do a pan so that you can see that. I also thought that it was cool, like Johnny Appleseed Day, hilarious. I think that's great. They also give you like Labor Day, National Grandparents Day. This is when autumn begins. And these are some ways that we can also, as homeschooling parents, just kind of plan if we want to do something extra. When you open it up, the week, I really love how they set out the week in comparison to the kind of like their Happy Planner Life Planner. This one, they put the dates on the side, and then it leaves us parents all of this space. And so what I said I was going to use it for was obviously just our different subjects. So it gives you a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 subjects that you can kind of cover if that's how you homeschool. We actually don't do every subject every day, but it will give me an opportunity to kind of use this as a school and life. I wanted to flip to the back because I want you guys to see the checklist. So the checklist, obviously, it says classroom checklist. You can cover that with whatever you want. Some ideas that you can do as a homeschooling parent. You can, obviously, if your state requires you to keep grades, this is a perfect place to keep grades, with assignments being posted kind of right here in the multicolored section at the top. Something else that you can do is you can use this as a chore chart. You can use this as a reading log. You can even use this maybe as field trips or something else. So leave, suggestions in the comments of other things that you can turn this page into. There's also, I forgot to show you guys, there's a little notes page. So nothing too fancy, but something where you can keep your notes on. And that, my friends, is it. So hopefully you really like this happy planner. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my flip through of the 2020-2021 Happy Planner Teacher's Planner. I'm so excited to use it. I'm so excited. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you like. What planners are you using? Did you create your own planner? We will be coming back for some additional videos to show you kind of how we planned our year and just some exciting things that we're doing. So please make sure that you stay engaged. We want to see what it is that you're doing, just like we want you to see what it is we're doing. We're all a community. We're all a village. And it takes all of us to educate our children the way that we know that we can. Have a great day.